Hi, and welcome to Spruce. Spruce is a modern way to communicate with your patients and your colleagues. In fact, fertility clinics across the country use Spruce to securely communicate with internal teams and patients alike. We believe that your communication platform should keep up with today's rapidly changing communication preferences and should efficiently manage your business. That's why we created Spruce. As a tool for healthcare communication, we also built Spruce with the highest security protocols in mind. So it goes without saying that the platform can be used in a HIPAA-compliant manner. So what is Spruce? Spruce is a medical-grade communication platform that enables you to manage your patient communication within one HIPAA-compliant and user-friendly system. We offer an in-office business phone system with voicemail transcription and two-way SMS texting, fax, video calling, secure internal team chat, and a dedicated patient app. Everything can be accessed right from your computer, iPad, or mobile device, and it's all secure. Spruce partners with fertility clinics just like yours to set a higher bar for the pace and quality of communication between your growing client base and your practice. In fact, we've seen exponential growth that is 100% attributed to fast, responsive communication that was often lacking before. As a busy practice, you don't have the time to answer every patient's phone call, and your patients don't want to have to call back several times to confirm a procedure, request lab results, or ask a question about their medical plan. Spruce enables you to maintain a HIPAA-compliant business phone line right on your personal cell phone or routed to a Spruce VoIP desk phone. This means that you can use one phone but keep all personal and professional communications separate and compliant. Spruce enables you to minimize phone tag and ultimately decrease the volume of phone interactions that you and your team face every single day by leveraging a mix of channels and solutions based on your clinic schedule, your patient's preferences, and your availability. A missed call could be a missed potential patient. Set up automation to your phone system to automatically text any missed calls or voicemails that were left. Add an option in your phone tree to let patients get a text back instead of leaving a message. Automatically route and assign phone calls to specific members of your team, such as the front desk, an intake coordinator, or the billing team. And in the Spruce platform, all of your communication is sorted by patient, which means that regardless of how they like to communicate, whether that's via text or traditional calls, all your communication with that person can be seen in one place and it's automatically documented. Plus, you'll be able to see who else on your team is in contact with them. For busy fertility clinics, leaning on a channel like texting to connect with equally busy patients dramatically reduces phone tag and the volume of phone interactions your team faces every single day. From Spruce, you can message patients in two ways. You can send standard SMS text messages to the patient if that's their preference. On your end, you would still use the Spruce app, but on the patient's end, it would look like they're getting a normal text to their phone, no app needed for them. Alternatively, you can invite patients to download the Spruce patient app on their mobile phone or have them sign up on their computer. All messages are inherently secure and HIPAA compliant, and the app is completely free for patients. That said, patients don't need the app to call or SMS text you. Spruce also supports secure group messaging, so you can include both partners on all communication. Everyone stays connected in one secure place. If one partner has a question, the other can see that question and the response, reducing miscommunication and redundancies. Save time with Spruce. Spruce enables you to send messages at a day or a time in the future, such as checking in after a patient visit, or even internally reminding yourself or your team to do something. Spruce makes it easy to create teams, such as billing or intake teams, so that you can set up automation through your phone or text tree and assign certain calls or messages to the right team or individual. Using Spruce Assignment helps you to divide and conquer all the work while making sure that nothing gets left behind. And if you're working from a group inbox, you can easily assign conversations to yourself so that no one else gets notified. When fertility clinics adopt Spruce, coordinating care with teammates and even other clinics has never been easier. You can create an internal note right under a patient message and digitally page colleagues to ask questions or notify them of something relevant to the patient's care. Spruce allows for secure HIPAA-compliant team chat. Easily create group messages internally to collaborate efficiently and securely and all in the same place. Additionally, while training staff, You can use Spruce to see messages that employees are sending and then provide feedback and coaching. When offering messaging, the key is adopting a system that automates replies and gets messages to the right person at the right time. For example, you can set up automatic replies, which set expectations around when you'll get back to patients. You can create text trees that let your patients choose who their message is for. Additionally, you can save commonly sent messages as templates. Our fertility clinic customers save messages to relay upcoming appointment details, medication information, and explain common procedures. You can even include videos and links in these messages to reassure patients ahead of their scheduled appointments. Spruce offers extensive messaging capabilities as discussed, but you can also instantly call your patients via HIPAA-compliant video calls. Go right from messaging with them to live video calling in just one click. After your call, you can message them in the same place with your follow-up notes and next steps. With Spruce eFax, just like with phone numbers, we can move an existing fax number in, or we can get you a new one. All faxes are stored in electronic form within the Spruce app in a HIPAA-compliant manner. You can easily assign faxes to the right team or individual so that nothing gets lost or missed. No more clunky fax machines or having to print out documents. The Spruce app is full of additional benefits, such as our bulk patient messaging, tagging, inbox filters, VoIP desk phones, assignment, questionnaires, and more. But we wanted to just spend a few minutes today giving you the main points to get started. We're confident that you'll discover our other tools while using the product. We invest our energy into features that enable you to do your job better and to make Spruce your all-in-one communication solution. Spruce is the leader in healthcare communication, but don't just take our word for it. Take a look at how RMA Northern California optimized their practice with Spruce in just a matter of months. You can download the case study on our blog at blog.sprucehealth.com. We're excited to welcome you and your business to Spruce. If you haven't already, the best way to get started is to begin your free trial. You can download the Spruce app by searching for Spruce in your phone's app store or by creating a trial account on sprucehealth.com. You may also reach out to sales@sprucehealth.com to obtain more information. Already have the trial? Just message us in-app and we'll help you with any questions that you may have. Thanks.